Even though review writing is your opinion, it doesn't mean you can say anything you want. Libel is the publication of a false statement that maliciously or carelessly damages someone's reputation. In order for something to be found libelous, all 5 of the following criteria must be met. The statement must be false, based on facts that are wrong or unverifiable. The statement must be defamatory. Usually a libelous statement accuses someone of a crime or an immorality, discredits a person professionally, or implies someone has a loathsome disease. Now, the statement must be published. Any form of communication counts, whether it's printed, broadcast, posted online, or through social media. The statement must have an identifiable plaintiff. Now, it's up to the plaintiff to prove that the libelous statement is about them. And finally, the defendants, that's you, must be at fault through either negligence, that's failure to exercise appropriate care, or through malice. Once upon a time, there was a vaudeville trio called the Cherry Sisters, and they were awful. A critic for a small-town Iowan newspaper saw the group perform in 1901 and wrote a rather scathing review. Now, the sisters read the review and sued for libel. The judge who heard their case had also seen their terrible show and ruled in favor of the newspaper. Now, the sisters appealed to the Iowa Supreme Court, who ruled that, quote, any performance to which the public is invited may be freely criticized. Now, this case established the definition of what's called fair comment and criticism. Because of the Cherry Sisters, reviewers are free to publish negative critiques of books, films, plays, restaurants, etc. Now, they aren't, however, free to publish damaging facts that aren't true. That's libel.